Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
How adorable is this dress? This summer is all about Barbiecore, and I am 100% for it. So I have on the candy dress. I love this piece. It's a linen blend. I love the thicker straps to cover my bra with the smocking in the back. It makes it very comfortable, and I love this three-tiered detailing paired with this adorable little straw bag from the store and a fun little fringy earring to complete my Barbie look. I feel like I'm in my salsa Barbie era. I just want to dance. I love this. I love this dress. This is the Holly dress from Dex, and I love this flowy skirt. It's got great pockets. I love the drawstring waist to sort of snatch that in. How adorable is this? So cute. I'm going full retro Barbie with these fantastic polka dot trousers from Robel. These are actually a 7/8 pants. I am very short, so they're a full length pant on me. I don't mind the length, but if I did want to have them shorter, I would definitely have them tailored. Do not be afraid to have your clothes tailored to fit your body. And then I have topped with this fun pink little eyelet top. This is the Sicily. She is stunning. She is flirty and adorable. Why have you not come in, tried this blazer on, and taken it home with you? I absolutely love, love, love this piece. This is a fantastic blazer from Dex. It is sort of oversized, it's not fitted at all. If you do like a more fitted look, I do suggest having it tailored. It is a great investment in your wardrobe and in yourself to have pieces that fit you perfectly for your body. I did go ahead and pair with these really fantastic capri from Charlie B. Got a little white Dex tank top, fun little clutch, some great pink accessories, and I am all set to go run a board meeting. How adorable is this lemon top to complete my Malibu Beach Day Barbie outfit, paired with these fantastic Irene capri from Charlie B, a cute little straw bag. I absolutely love this halter style neckline. I think it is extremely flattering on a lot of different body types. It's a nice flowy A-line style top paired with these great pink earrings, and I am ready to go meet my friends for cocktails.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.